Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're in my daily job shop. It's where I work on a daily basis. But we got a Yamaha golf cart in here. It's a little crooked on the steering, so we're going to do a quick alignment on it and I'll bring you guys along. Alright y'all, I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but if you look down the side, try to get you guys a good angle, with the steering wheel straight, somewhat straight. He's got it off a tooth or two. He just put that on there. But with the steering wheel straight, this tire here is straight, and this one here is kind of dog-legged out. It probably doesn't show up real well on camera, but yeah, she's out probably, I'm gonna guess about a half an inch or so. But these are brand new tires on this thing, so he wants an alignment done on it. So because this old tire was all wore compared to that one. So yeah, we're gonna throw it up on the lift here and get the camera set up, and we're gonna video this for y'all. And so let's do that. All right, y'all, start out here. We're gonna take a measurement. We're gonna go from the center line on this tire here, maybe. Trying to do this all one-handed for y'all. I'll come across, and on that one there, we are right at, we're gonna call it 35 and, let's say 35 and 3/4, just about, right in there. Yeah, that'll be cool. 35 and 3/4. So, all right, we're gonna put it up the rest of the way and measure the backside, and that'll tell us how much we're out. All right, y'all. Get the tape measure across this side, and yep, 35 and a half thereabouts. So yeah, we're a good 1/4 inch out. So yeah, let's make sure I'm on the right yeah, we're on the right bead there. All right, yep. Yeah, about 35 and a quarter. I'm sorry, 36 and a quarter. Oh. Oh, yeah. All right, now we're better. Yeah, about 35 and a half, thereabouts. Yeah. So we don't need to go much. So, all right. Get you guys up in here and I'll show you what we're gonna do. All right, y'all. Here's the end of the tie rod right here. So we're gonna loosen that jam nut right there, and we're gonna spin this thing, and we gotta, let's see, we gotta pull it in. So not very much, but we're gonna split the difference between that 35 and a half and 35 and 3/4, and we'll see what we got there. So we'll grab my wrenches and we'll get that done. All right, y'all. To start out, we're gonna loosen this nut right here. That wasn't very tight at all. All right, that takes a 17mm wrench. And then we're gonna put a wrench on this back here, and we want to pull it in. So is that making it shorter? Yep. All right, grab my tape measure wherever I put it at. There it is. We're going to take a measurement across there, and we are at, on the inside there, we're at 35 and 3/8. I'm going to go on the other side, measure that one. We'll see where we're at on that. And we are at Oh, we went the wrong way, y'all. That's 35 7/8. We gotta make that thing longer. So, my mistake. And I did check the ball tie rod ends here for excessive play. All right, now let's measure. Let's see what we got. That is dead on 35.5. Front is dead on 35.5. We're going to take it just a little bit more because we kind of want it just to toe in just a hair, just a degree or two to make it easier for steering. So measure this. We are at 35 5/8. Yep, 35 5/8. We are at 35 3/8. Perfect. Just what we want. We want just a hair of toe in. So now, just bring that thing in there. Get my 17mm wrench. Tighten that up good and tight. So, all right, we're gonna check this side over here just to make sure it's good and tight. Yep, good and tight. All right, that's it. That's all there is to it for these. I mean, this was an easy one. So, all right, that's it for today. There you have it. That's how you do an alignment on a golf cart. Really easy. Now, if you want to get technical and get like dead on true alignment on it, you need to run some string lines down the side, measure from the sidewall to the back tire, make sure the string's running straight, and then make sure your front tire is actually running straight with a little toe in. No need for a golf cart. These things don't, they're not running the Indy, as long as they're towed in. The owner of this is going to change, adjust the steering wheel and get it back on. So yeah, it's super simple, super easy. Hope you all enjoyed it. I enjoyed bringing the video to you. If you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button. If you liked the video, hit the thumbs up. And if you didn't like the video, hit the thumbs up for me. I deserve it. Anyways, just playing. Love y'all. Have a great day and keep on wrenching. Catch you on the next one. All right, y'all. There you have it. That's how you do an alignment on a goat.